Shalini here from Tech Gatha, and this video covers assignment on for loop variations. In case you haven't watched the video under the playlist Java Tutorials for Beginners, please watch that video whose link is provided in the description. So let's get started with the assignments on for loop variations. The output is for G is 1, H9, 2, 7, 3, 5. Now how do we get the output is? For the value of G is 1 and H is 10. 1 less than 10, that is G less than H, true. It goes inside, it decrements the value of H because it's a pre-decrement, so H becomes 9, and then it prints the value of G, that is 1, and the decremented value of H, that is 9. Then it goes ahead, increments the value of G and again decrements the value of H. So G changes from 1 to 2 and H changes from 9 to 8. Again 2 less than 8, true. It decrements the value of H to 7 and then prints the value of G, that is 2, and then H, that is 7. Again it increments the value of G to 3, decrements the previous value of H, that is 7, to 6, and then it checks 3 less than 6, true. It decrements again the H to 5, and then it prints the value of G, that is 3, and value of H, that is 5. It increments the value of G to 4. It decrements the value of H from 5 to 4. Is G less than H false, it exits the loop. There is a compile time error because the ceil function and the power function returns a double value. So you can see there is no typecasting, there is loss of value. If you remember the typecasting and type conversion video, if not, you can go through that video under the playlist Java Tutorials for Beginners. When we are converting a value of type double, that is of higher data type, to a value of type short, which is a smaller data type, we require explicit conversion. So the code doesn't compile, execution is far away. Again, for this assignment, grab a notebook and a pen, or definitely you can open BlueJ, write the solution and then compare with mine. We have to create an infinite loop. So infinite loop we can create it this way. What we have to do is we have to take the input from the users. If it's an even number, we have to check. In the even number, we have to add 10 and then find the sum of every even number. So we ask the user to enter a number and 0 to exit. If number is 0, display thanks and break. If not, check if it's an even number. Yes. Created two variables, sum even and sum odd. Sum even stores the sum of all the even numbers by adding 10 into it. Sum odd stores the sum of all the odd numbers by multiplying every odd number by 3. And then once the loop completes, it prints the sum of even numbers and the sum of odd numbers. So with this, we come to an end of this video. Happy learning, take care and bye-bye.